Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Tech Alphabet series. Today we're diving into GF gadgets and future tech, a topic that's not just exciting but crucial. Why? Because gadgets shape how we live, love, learn, and even earn. From smart rings that track our sleep and fitness to AI wearables that can diagnose diseases before symptoms even show up, the future is closer than we think. We're talking about a world where our glasses are also our smartphones, our clothes adapt to the weather, and our homes are truly smart, anticipating our needs. So, buckle up because in this video we're exploring the coolest gadgets shaping our present and the mind-blowing tech that's just around the corner. You better be plugged in because you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with some mind-blowing stats. Did you know the average person owns 3.6 connected devices? That's right, 3.6. And by 2030, experts predict that number could skyrocket to 15 devices per person. That's a whole lot of tech. But it's not just about the quantity, it's about the capabilities. AI-powered wearables are no longer just tracking our steps. They're becoming sophisticated health companions. Imagine a smartwatch that can analyze your biometrics and alert you to potential health risks before you even feel a symptom. That's the future we're stepping into. And speaking of the future, how about a world where our reality is augmented? Devices like the Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3 are blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds, offering immersive experiences that could change how we work, play, and interact. Now, let's dive into some of the hottest gadgets making waves right now. Smart glasses are back and sleeker than ever. We've got Ray-Ban Meta glasses that offer a taste of augmented reality and X-Real Air glasses that provide a cinematic viewing experience. But it's not just about what's on our faces, it's about what's on our hands. Smart rings like the Aura Ring and Ultra Human Ring Air are packed with sensors, tracking everything from sleep stages to heart rate variability. And let's not forget AI fitness trackers from brands like Whoop, Fitbit, and Garmin. These bad boys are using artificial intelligence to personalize workouts and provide insights we've never had before. But hold on, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The future holds even more exciting possibilities. Imagine neural interfaces like Elon Musk's Neuralink, allowing us to control devices with our minds. Picture holographic displays on our phones and watches, making our screens truly pop. And get this, self-repairing gadgets using AI and smart materials. The future is about to get seriously sci-fi. Chapter 3. Did you know? Part 2. Did you know that India is poised to become a global tech powerhouse? That's right. India's gadget market is booming, predicted to reach a staggering $400 billion by 2030. That's not just a statistic, it's a testament to the incredible innovation and tech adoption happening right here. And here's another mind-blowing fact. The line between gadgets and body tech is blurring. We're talking about a future where your smartwatch could monitor your blood sugar levels non-invasively, or even detect early signs of certain diseases. It's a future where technology integrates seamlessly with our bodies, enhancing our health and well-being. This convergence of tech and biology opens up a world of possibilities, but it also raises important questions about privacy, data security, and ethical considerations. It's a conversation we need to have as we navigate this exciting but complex technological landscape. Chapter 4. Quanda, ask your audience. Alright, time for a quick check-in. Let me know in the comments how many gadgets you own right now. Type A for 1 to 2, B for 3 to 5, C for 6 or more. Let's see those answers rolling in. Now here's a big one. Would you trust a wearable to detect illness before a doctor? This is a question that sparks a lot of debate. Some people are all for it, embracing the potential of early detection and personalized healthcare. Others are more hesitant, raising concerns about accuracy, privacy, and the potential for unnecessary anxiety. So, what's your take? Type Y for yes, I'd trust a wearable, or N for no, I'd rather stick with traditional methods. Let's have a discussion in the comments. Chapter 5. Summary. As we've seen, gadgets are no longer just tools, they're becoming integral parts of our lives. They're our companions, our assistants, and in many ways, extensions of ourselves. From smart rings that track our every move to AI-powered wearables that can diagnose illnesses, the future of tech is about to get seriously personal. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we head into a more connected AI-driven future, it's crucial to be aware of the potential benefits and risks. We need to be smart about the data we share, the devices we use, and the ethical implications of this technology. So, stay curious, stay informed, and never stop exploring the ever-evolving world of gadgets and future tech. The gadget you ignore today might be the game changer, the lifesaver, or the world changer of tomorrow. Chapter 6. Outro. So we've gone from 0 to 100 real quick, diving deep into the world of gadgets and future tech. It's exciting, it's mind-blowing, and honestly, it's moving faster than ever before. We talked about everything from smart rings that track your sleep better than you do, to AI-powered wearables that could potentially diagnose diseases before you even know you're sick. And let's not forget the mind-bending possibilities of neural interfaces and self-repairing gadgets. The future is looking pretty wild, right? But here's the thing, it's not just about the tech itself. It's about how this technology is shaping our lives, our health, and our understanding of the world around us. So stay curious, stay informed, and keep those notifications on because things are about to get really interesting. Peace out.